Mental health needs maintenance and constant care. Mental health needs maintenance and constant care. Okay? Remember, in November, your boy, MLD here, every day I did some form of like masculine therapy and or coaching for my mind. Bro, full disclosure, maybe I shouldn't say it. I don't know. Let's just say I talked to Paul for a lot of hours from Apex Mindset, and I elected to pay him. Just put it that way. Paul had a good November because of me. But Paul's really smart. And then dude, you know what's crazy? So yesterday, I did a session in the morning, December 1st, Japan time, which is like your guys' is like November 30th, whatever. I had a really fucking deep session with Ryan from Inner Masculine. Ryan Fowler from InnerMasculine.com is seriously a fucking psychological genius. He will be at Hot Dude Con Dallas. Psychological genius. This guy's like Professor X. I'm not even playing, bro. He is, speaking of which, get your tickets to Hot Dude Con right there. Link is in the chat. Come on down. Come on down. If you've got a fever, I got the cure. Doctor says Hot Dude Con. So, like I said, this whole year, I had like hit the ground running. Because remember me and Charlie, we were saying like Ethereum is altcoin of the year. We were saying it in the beginning of the year. We were like, fucking watch Ethereum. Watch this shit. And then like just, dude, between me and Charlie, holy shit, like thousands of people have come to us for coaching. And probably, yeah, not including YouTube views, but paid coaching, thousands for sure. I almost said 10,000, but we didn't get to 10,000, but we were near it. And that's our future for sure, because we're the real deal. And, I was just putting like so many people before me, like, my friends, family, business colleagues, students, people who joined my network, all this stuff. I was just giving. And it was just like draining me. And that's when I like had to, thank God King Dre was like, yo, October. He's like, stop, take time off and like do an analysis of yourself. And October, like I said, I did all the physical, right? I did all the physical stuff, the body stuff, the healing, the laser surgery, all that stuff, right? And then at the end of October, I was like, my mind feels tired. And so then I did all the mental therapy and it's not like therapy. I was like laying on the couch like, I want to kill myself. No. But it was like just understanding my belief system, my frame system, and looking at what was going on within me and my beliefs and everything. And it's just crazy how much progress I made in one small month. But I was like dedicated, guys. Like I said, I was like going to meditation. I was writing affirmations. I have like affirmations and that I'm writing and like everything, dude, everything. And so, it was just unbelievable, the amount of progress and like the amount of like just mental health jumps that I made. And it was all because of your mental health. It needs maintenance and constant care. And if you don't pay attention to that, if you don't like neglect it, especially now, because our world is now more mental than it is physical. Back in the day, it was more physical. We'd have to like, go out there and like plow the roads and like, like pick up stuff and like, chop water, like carry water, chop wood, right? And we had to do like all this labor intensive stuff, factory work and everything. Now it's just like, this is work. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 talking, hey, email, like everything's mental. And if you don't think that doesn't take a toll on your body, man, It's insane, bro.